YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Big Ant, back at you with another video. Today's topic of discussion is Tradeblock. I know I talk very often about Tradeblock because it's the main platform I'm using to build inventory. I've talked to you guys a lot of times before about documenting my journey of building my inventory, what my goal is to eventually get stacked up enough shoes where Nikki and I can open up a store here in the Orlando, Florida area. So an important part of me going through this process of building up inventory and preparing to open up a store is Tradeblock. I don't get, obviously I'm not sponsored by Tradeblock or have any type of business agreements with them. I'm just an avid user of their account, so I want to make sure folks know that up front. But I love talking about Tradeblock, not because I get anything from them for that. It's because it's an important part of this process that I'm going through to build inventory. So today, just wanted to dedicate this video. I'm going to do a video probably once a month to show you what inventory I have out there on Tradeblock. I want you guys to download the app, the Tradeblock app. Find me at Rock1Stock1, ROC1STOCK1, and trade with me, man. I got a little bit over 100 shoes on there now. The goal is to have 200 shoes, then to have 300 shoes. Even when I open up the store, believe it or not, guys, when I open up the store, I still want to be an avid trader on Tradeblock and for it to be a safe platform where customers that want to work with Rock1Stock1 that can't come to our physical location can still trade with us, So I was born and raised a sneakerhead. I'm not your average reseller, and we'll get to that. That's another topic of discussion altogether. But I chose to build this business and start this business back up through trading, through the sneaker community, and that's how I'm going to build it. Don't have any bots, I don't have any inside backdoor hookups, none of that. I'm just a regular guy who loves shoes and wants to do it for a living. So with that being said, each month I am going to just strictly do a video to show you guys what inventory we have. And that literally, you guys, that changes probably every other day, man, because I have been blessed and been successful to hook up with a lot of cool folks that trade with me on a daily basis. So that inventory is forever shifting, and that's a good thing. I want you guys to find us and to continue to watch our closet, man, as we continue to grow and diversify and all of the different types of things that we're picking up to build up the store. I just can't wait for this to turn into something real. It's already real for me because Nikki and I, man, we're dedicated to getting this done. So I can't wait for you guys to see the journey. You're already starting to see the journey. But with that being said, because y'all know I love to talk. If y'all don't shut me up, man, I'll talk every day. Let's get into looking at this current inventory. I'm going to explain to you guys what you're seeing. So on Tradeblock, there's different functions. You have a function where you can go search for a shoe that you're interested in, select that shoe, and then you can find people that have that shoe and then trade with them. If you have an account set up with Tradeblock, you have what's called a closet, and that closet allows you to download all of the shoes that you have in your inventory that you're willing to trade. It's pretty cool too, because with the closet, you can download your shoes that are dead stock and you don't really have to take pictures of those. If you've got shoes that are used or shoes that are new and have damaged boxes or anything like that, you can take pictures and download that and tag that to your shoe so people can see the condition of the shoe to decide whether or not they want to trade. So I'm in love with the app. I watch them on YouTube and Instagram now as they're starting to go live and discuss a lot of the things that they're doing to update the app and make things better for us as traders. So I'm excited in what these folks are doing, and they have my full support. And this is a platform that I'm using to change my life. So I want to share the journey with y'all. But what you're going to see right now is my closet. This is what I'm going to show you guys on a monthly basis is my closet, how it's updating what inventory we'll have. It's obvious to see I've got multiple pairs of certain things that we're investing in, and we're going to get to investment videos each month as well. So anyway, Sit back, take a look at the closet. Hope you see something you like and you go find us out on Tradeblock and trade with us, y'all. Tap in with your boy. Peace.